Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to link slides of the same presentation. A good use of this feature is making an interactive table of contents. You can use this feature in more ways, such as a quick recap of the lesson or even a quiz. Let's see how it's done. So here I have the lesson plans for the entire unit. So in these slides, I have all 5 lessons put together, which is which consists of nearly 40, 42, 45 slides. Now, if I have to go to each lesson, I'll have to scroll down. An easy way to do this is by linking the slides. For that, all I need to do is select the word, right click, and link. Here you can see slides in this presentation. I'm just going to choose the slide and apply. Another way to do this is select the word, go over to insert, link, slides in the presentation, and simply apply. Let me show you what this does. So once you have linked the slides, all you need to do is click the slide and it takes you over to your lesson. There we go. Let me quickly show you another way to do this. So now I have completed my lesson and these are the 3 main topics or questions that I have covered. So this will be displayed to my students and I'm simply going to ask them the questions and I've linked each one of them with their answers. So let me go over one of these. So what are linking works? And the answer to this, I have linked it to the actual slide here. Now I'm going to go back to my recap slide to ask the remaining questions. Then I can simply ask the next question and go over to the next slide. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please share with us the different ways that you have explored this feature. Thank you.